Imagine turning your electricity into digital gold. That's the big promise of crypto mining. But what if I told you that, in South Africa, mining isn't just about chasing profits. It's about wild opportunities and some seriously unique challenges. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Tech with Saran. Today I'm diving into the world of crypto mining in South Africa, how it actually works, why it's capturing attention, and the million-rand question, is it really worth it? So here's the deal. Crypto mining is basically using super powerful computers to solve complex puzzles. Think of it as math on steroids. When you solve a puzzle, you help secure blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you get rewarded with digital coins. Now, South Africa's got a real buzz around mining lately, and I totally get why. But let me break down what makes it special and tricky here. First up, electricity costs. Compared to a lot of places, South Africa's power is actually cheaper. Sounds great for mining, right? But here comes the plot twist, load shedding. Those rolling blackouts can hit any time, and mining rigs need constant power. No juice, no coins, no profit. Second, climate. The good news, South Africa's got some cool regions. That means mining rigs don't have to work overtime to stay chilled, which saves you money on cooling and helps your gear last longer. Let's talk regulations. Crypto isn't banned here, but it's not totally regulated either. So you've got to keep an eye on government updates, and yes, stay on top of those tax rules. It's all about playing it smart. And finally, community and opportunity. A lot of young South Africans see mining and blockchain as a way to break into the global digital economy. It's not just a side hustle. It could be the start of something bigger, like a tech startup. So, is crypto mining in South Africa your golden ticket? Honestly, it depends. If you've got a solid setup, backup power, and understand the crypto market, you can totally make it work. But if you jump in without planning, it can get risky fast. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you try mining in South Africa, or would you rather just invest in crypto directly? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them all. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech and crypto talk, and share this with a friend who's curious about mining. Until next time, this is Saran. See you in the next video.